Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning and very good day. Right. We continue today with the first topic. It's about the system development. Okay, when we want to do system analysis and design, first of all, we have to understand what is system development, because at the end of the day, we are going to develop a system. Okay, so let's try to Google system development process. Okay, when you Google system development process, we can get materials from the internet. Okay, just take one example. Okay, according to wikipedia.org, system development process. Okay, process means that maybe a cycle. You move from one process to another process. Okay, you move on. Okay, start with the analysis. Okay, analysis meaning that you try to get data of what actually the system can do, what actually the system can provide. Okay, you have to interact, meaning that you have to talk with the owner of the company or owner of the business, staff, and also sometimes you interact with the users. Okay, you get information, you get data first from the interaction, and then maybe a few numbers of data. Okay, and then you're going to analyze the information that you get from the interview or interaction with the management or the staff or the users. Users here could be staff itself, or users here could be the client or the customer. Okay, sometimes the customer use the system, right? So when you get the information, meaning that you have processed the information, you might come into conclusion that the system, maybe system A. Okay, system A, these are the comment from the users. Okay, maybe they say the system is slow, the system cannot produce this information when we need it. This the system gave error or wrong data. Okay, right. So based on that information, you're going to table back to the management. Okay, and the management will decide whether there is a need to improve, or improve you mean that maybe you are required to do some changes, to do some improvement, to update, or maybe they decide to have a totally new system. Okay, when they have decided, okay, you have to do the design. Okay, you're going to design a new system or improve system. Okay, design here could be you improve in terms of user interface, you improve in terms of the layout, you improve in terms of number of processes. Maybe they comment the processes are too lengthy. It could be cut short, let's say from 5 or 7 steps to 4 steps. Okay, those are the improvement. Okay, right. Maybe you change the color, you change the sequence. Okay, sometimes they comment that, okay, when we click this, it goes to somewhere else. Should be if you click display, it should display. If you click input data, you should have the system should have display or show places to input data only. Alright, so I'll continue with another sequence video.